Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application located under the Google folder. From here, you want to select these three bars and go to Settings. At the bottom you will find Import option, and from here we can select to import from SIM card. And as you can see, this will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, they should all be enabled. As you can see, checked right here. So if you don't want all the contacts, you can just deselect some of them that you don't want. Additionally, if you see some contacts that are grayed out and checked off, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your phone, so don't worry about those. Anyway, any contact that is checked, like these ones, will be imported once you click right here, Import. There you go. It gives you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when you go back, you should be able to see them right over here. And that is how you would import your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.